So while we still have this 2012 Elantra, I'm going to show you how to take the door panel apart. I just showed you how to take the mirror apart, which is right there, but you still have to get that little clip off, which sits right here. No tools, just pull on it. You got a screw right here behind this hidden door. This was actually used with Thumb Dumb. I would have done the same thing. I didn't do this, but good little idea. And then screw behind this little window door, same thing. Little flathead screwdriver, pull her out. There's a Phillips head, I already took it off. Always grab from the corner. Windows are down. Look, no window. Windows are always down, makes it a lot easier to take it off. And just pull from the corner. Pull, the whole door is loose. And then just lift upward. I don't have to take it off, but you get the idea. But let's see how bad it is once you remove it. Oh, I like these. These are easy too. So that's it. Clip right there. You push that in. Releases all these guys for the door handles. Another clip. It's for what? The speaker? If it had it? Yeah, it's got the speaker. Tweeter. And there's your speaker. Probably 6.5. I say 6.5. So you're gonna have to remove the door to get to the speaker. Unplug everything. Unplug this guy, little clip in the middle. And that's it. Put her all back. Up and over. Up and over. Up and over. And that's it. Push. Pop. 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 Like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.